Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. My name is Mr. Orange and welcome to a new video on my channel. So today I'm giving you another update on my pure gaming companies stock portfolio, and we're also going to talk a little bit about what is the problem of the gaming companies at the moment of the stocks, but also in what is the problem of the gaming industry at the moment too. And you probably already have an idea about what I'm going to talk about. So all right, my friends, so this is the Nasdaq 100. This is the chart of the Nasdaq 100, and we can officially now say it has never really been a reversed trend here. It has never been really a bull market, so we're still in the 2009 upwards trend of the overall tech market. So it's really mind-boggling actually to look at this chart. And today, even again, the Nasdaq 1.49% up, and most probably it's due to Nvidia, and I think Meta is also massively up again today, and yeah, now Bitcoin is a little bit down. So, all right, so this is what you need to keep in mind when we now look at the gaming industry. And I was already making a video where I said, yeah, the gaming industry is actually underperforming, and this is still true. So this is from today. So my market value of 63,000, and I'm down now minus 13%. This is only the companies I'm still invested in. So if I, for example, I sold my Nvidia stocks, or I sold my Activision Blizzard stocks. So this is not part of the open. This is the open price, open losses and gains. So daily today 1.06%, and this is probably due to Microsoft. So I count Microsoft also in my gaming portfolio. You can argue now Microsoft has nothing has no reason to be there. They have so many other businesses, but yeah, I mean, I do it, and I agree. The plus of 12,000, 13,000 euros also has an effect actually of the overall performance of my gaming stock portfolio. So at the moment, it doesn't look so good, and I'm totally acknowledging this. So I'm not painting the picture brighter than it is. So this is definitely not my goal, my friends. I'm definitely not going to do this. But I'm telling you also, I'm in for the long run. Now, yeah, that's what they always say when they down. Especially if you now compare. If you compare, hey, you could have just invested in the Nasdaq 100. You could just invested in the S&P 500. You could just invested everything into Nvidia and Bitcoin. Yeah, I could, but I didn't. I mean, I had Nvidia, I have Bitcoin, and I have also a lot of other stocks, and those are parts of the other stocks, and we can go now through them, and then you're going to see that I have actually one rule. Also, this portfolio now of the 63,000 with regards to my overall wealth, or my overall portfolio. This is also just one part of it. So I'm much more diversified. I'm not only investing in gaming companies, and this is really, really important, my friends. So really keep this in mind. So, and with that, we can seed, we can plant the seeds, we can start creating something. And if some of those companies might survive the next 1-2 years, because I think actually for some of those companies it might take 1-2 years that we see a change in the gaming industry. The stock can react already quite before, so this is absolutely possible. For example, if you have now the impression, CD Projekt went up again in the last days a little bit. So where's CD Projekt? Here we can go. Now that's Embracer. So here's CD Projekt. Yeah, it's from 103 to 117, just again in some days. So you would say then, yeah, maybe they're coming back. So maybe they're jumping over this Fibonacci retracement, and maybe we're going back to the 180. And hey, guys, I'm not excluding this. So it can go, it can also not go. So I'm not here on my channel to give you speculation ideas. So I just want you to be informed and to take decisions that you base on your own research. All right, so let's have a look. So Microsoft don't really have to talk about it. So we're really strong right now at $415. So for me, that's 160%. So I think my problem with Microsoft is I was not averaging up. I was not buying more when they were going up, so I should have done this. But hey, that's again my position now of Microsoft is already quite big. I think I have invested. Yeah, I had invested like 8,000 euros, and now I already made 160% of this. CD Projekt, so and it's 180 here. I have to say I bought also a CD Projekt already a little bit longer ago. It's a smaller position, but it's still part of my overall CD Projekt, yeah, let's say position, so shares. So I count it in, of course, and I have them also. I have different ADRs. And here I'm minus 35% down, so that's quite a lot actually with $4,000. So, and I hope here that in CD Projekt that I will see the turnaround. So 180, where's 180 in CD Projekt? This is 180. So what I'm going to do if we get to 180, guys, I'm doing nothing. I'm not going to sell. I'm not going to trade this. I'm just going to hold. I'm going to be happy that the stock is up again, and then I'm just looking where it's going in the next 10 years, because CD Projekt is one of those companies that I overall more positive. Another company that I like, Take-Two, I'm also overall more positive. Unfortunately, they were falling back to $144, so, and it's now minus 10%. Here we go. It's 10%. I think I have it here. If I look here at the chart, start getting a bit more the feeling it could be interesting to add some more. This is absolutely no recommendation for you guys. So I think it can even fall to 130, 135, and I'm waiting for, finally waiting for GTA 6. It's going to be GTA 6, yes, exactly. So we're waiting already so long. So when is it coming, guys? When is it coming? So maybe if it falls 10, 15 more percent, then I get a little bit more interested to buy some more of Take-Two, but I already have quite a position. Ubisoft, so it's a position I was buying more over time. So 31 euros is my average price right now, so we're around about 20 euros. We're under the 20 euros. 4,300 is in. I'm already almost $3,000 down. So guys, I mean, I'm really just waiting for the turnaround, and when the turnaround comes here, it goes very quickly to the 30 euros. So at least then I'm going to be even, and then I for the years to come here again, Ubisoft, if they survive, that's always a question, therefore keep in mind this. If Ubisoft survives and the overall market situation changes, then I expect actually that they at least go over 31 euros. So maybe I'm also buying some more when they fall some more. Corsair, I'm not really in the mood to talk a lot about Corsair anymore. So, I mean, look at the chart. The chart is terrible. I admit I had a very good trade during the pandemic bubble, and I was super pumped then when Corsair was falling, so I was buying again a little bit more. Unfortunately, since then they're just going down, so stabilized a little bit here. So let's see if there's a positive momentum. Square Enix, that's a company a lot of people are much more bullish. They were coming back again, so this has also always something to do with the yen. So that's Square Enix here in euros. Also the euro yen, the euro yen FTX currency market you need to also keep an eye on. So I'm down a little bit. So man, that's one of those companies I like actually to add some more. So then Unity Software, the same like Corsair, made a lot of money, more money than I have lost right now. Therefore, yeah, therefore it's like you win and you lose, and at the moment I'm just holding Unity. But yeah, sometimes it hurts. The policies with Unity, they really hurt. That the policy where they started with this, when you install, you have to pay the license fees. Oh, this was making me so angry, guys. So, and they always, the jumps they're always so big. It's like 5% up, 5% down. Oh my god, it's crazy. Frontier today, oh, that's 135 pence, I think you call it. So position 1,300 or 1,400 pounds here. So it's a 2.8% of my overall gaming company portfolio. So I really averaged them down, and still, you see, I'm almost 30% down. So, but Frontier, I think they have chances to survive. So, another company that actually surprised me, it was kind of a conviction position for me. Now I'm 1,500, so I'm down over $2,000. So it hurts a little bit, but I'm still have some conviction. So with Focus Entertainment, Focus Home Interactive, I think they also even got another new name. So that's all those things I don't like. And Space Marine 2 by Saber Interactive has been postponed. So it's not really good news, but I believe that Focus can turn it around. I think they are one of the very good AA up to AAA gaming companies. They just have to improve a bit more the quality on their games, a little bit more, then they have good chances. Then another company, Embracer, also already $3,000 down. Yeah, I mean, you know all the story about Embracer. Don't have to repeat this too much. So I guess we're falling even more today. Yeah, today we get them breathe, get some air, but I think the Embracer issue is not over yet. Tencent, the Chinese companies had a good week. So Team 17 is unfortunately down again. So they were coming nicely back. So that's fine. Let them fall a bit more. So it's one of those companies that I'm actually happy to buy some more. Playtika surprised me. But then I look at the Playtika overall chart. The Playtika overall chart. I think I still have it here from one of my latest videos. Where are we here? Then the overall chart in Playtika doesn't look good, but it gets less deep. It gets less deep, then you would say, maybe there's a chance they're coming back. So of course we have to look at the numbers, and when you look at the numbers, at least a positive net income. Hey guys, come on. But net profit margin massively down. So, but I like positive net income is already good. And here profit margin from 2022 to 2023 is minus 13%, 9.15. So it's not so high for a gaming company. I actually should make a video about what's the average profit margin of all the different gaming companies, because I think there's a lot of information research. You don't really find this info. So also I wanted to make a video about the dates for the earnings. So that I'm making a list for myself for all my companies for the earnings. But now you say, wow, Mr. Orange, you invest so much money and you don't even follow the earnings every time. So therefore I invest in so many different companies because I'm not always following the earnings. But I make also a lot of videos. So I mean, there's numbers like $500 for one person. It's a lot of money for other people. It's just part of an investment. So Bigben is up finally. They had quite a bad day, I think, yesterday. But Bigben is up again, so but I'm still almost 50% down. So that's a question if Bigben is one of those companies. So just do nothing right now, waiting for the next the next flood. And to just see how this works out. So, and if you compare this now with all the tech stocks with the Nasdaq, so of course it's terrible. It's terrible. But I mean, shall I invest all my money just in the tech stocks and the magnificent seven? Come on, guys. We also have to diversify a little bit. Digital Bros. Here I'm actually happy to see them going down. I even want to see them going down further. I'm fine being there minus 70% as being 70% in the minus. That would be fine for me, and then I would also average down a little bit. Same paradox. It's okay at the moment. It's absolutely fine there in the minus. So those are companies I'm not so worried that something terrible happened. So that's fine for me. Playway also came back. They were always kind of up. Polish gaming company. Let them go down. So I'm fine with that. Nexon. Talked about this already. So they're holding up actually quite well. Nacon, yeah, 190 now. 190 now. I'm at 201. Also, if they continue going down, maybe to again to like 90 cents, so then I'm going to buy some more because I think Nacon, I mean, it's a small French company. They make hardware controllers, and they have some specific niche games. Well, they still exist. I mean, they still exist. It's not that they disappeared in the recent time. So, and also have layoffs. All the gaming companies have layoffs. So, just read an article that that some AAA developers expect or publishers or companies expect to make AAA games even with less people involved. So this can only mean they're using more AI tools. Capcom. I bought it $420 in and it went straight up. So actually I wanted to see them going down. I have some orders in under $16 here. It's the American Capcom. So let's see if they're coming back. So, but maybe it's one of the gaming companies I might buy in the strength again. CI Games, I told you the story already quite often about the company. Also here I got back in, made some money, was disappointed I was not there when the big pump was coming. The stock falls, I jump in, but stock continues falling more. So that's totally normal. Therefore you start investing small positions. Here, that's yeah, I think it's around about, yeah, it's $420, a small position. Still room to buy stocks for like $200 more to average down also a little bit. But I think I'm fine to see them falling a bit more. Bloober, they're coming back really good after the disaster where I made this video with Silent Hill. SNAIL keeping up around the $1, so why not? Small position in, I'm in the minus, so maybe if they fall to 50 cents or even further, then I might even buy some more. Just, I mean, it's speculation. That's high speculation. I really have to say this. So no financial advice, my friends. So don't buy anything you see in this video. Make your own research. I know that you know. I know that you know. DontNod Entertainment, 320. Problem here too. It's a small stock and they are continuously falling. Continuously falling. We are at 43.4% right now. Small position, but they continue falling. Starward Industry, yeah, they were falling from the stars to the ground, no pun intended. 55% down at the moment. So we really have to see here if they announce another game. Otherwise, this little studio can also just get bought by other people or taking over. I mean, what a studio that has only one game, and that's, I mean, that's kind of a studio like this can disappear very quickly. So there was Starward Industry. Therefore, small position. I mean, how much is it? Like 24 euros right now. So, if it goes bankrupt, I lose like 500 euros. Remedy, small position right now, and I really plan to buy some more Remedy. Therefore, I'm actually waiting for Remedy to continue to fall a bit more. Now we're at minus 30%. Once I was up like, I think 30-40%, and I thought like, I missed it. I should have bought more. Now they're falling, so obviously I have to buy at one point some more. I will do this, so no financial advice again. This is part of my investment strategy. I have a specific investment strategy. I'm buying when the stocks are falling. I'm not buying them into the strength. This means I wait sometimes very long, but this is also with regards to my tax law that applies on me, where I get my gains tax-free when I sell them stocks after 6 months. So it's also part of my strategy. Voila, ENAD, Global, Starbreeze, Ultimate Games, so small, those little positions, so $150 euros, I think, roundabout. So Starbreeze is like worth nothing anymore. I think that gets a complete loss. I don't think Starbreeze comes back. So what is your opinion? Shall I sell Starbreeze now? Just get my 40-30 euros out of it, buy myself a nice game, and just accept the loss. Shall I do this, guys? Is this what you think I should do? Write it down below in the commentary section. And if you're new to my channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. So, and here's my channel, here my metrics. So I'm fine showing them. I try to be transparent, have nothing to hide here. So therefore, going well. My underperformance gaming industry stock lose your money video was also performing quite well. So I'm really thankful for every person that joins my channel. It's a small channel, it's a niche channel, and I have so much to do to grow the channel bigger, but I do this with your help. So therefore, comment, like, subscribe, invite your friends, share my channel, share my videos on X, on Steam. This would be amazing. Thank you very much. Ooh, wanted to talk about Sweet Baby Incorporation. So I almost forgot it, guys. So yeah, I was giving you already the announcement. So yeah, what is the opinion? I am going to talk about this. Yeah, I need to talk about this now. Sorry, guys. So what is my opinion about this? So at the moment, I think it started really started small. So, but there's also, and then it escalated. We're now in the escalation phase. It's very crazy. But the thing is, there might be some issue with ESG funding. So I think it's not a mere conspiracy theory. There might be an issue, and like companies like Electronic Arts or even smaller companies, they might have easy access to funding when they apply some ESG rules, so some diversity rules. So all of this is possible, and some people say this, so I can't really verify this myself, but I could imagine that this actually is possible here. Times Square Capital Management sells 9,805 shares of Take-Two Interactive. So they're probably expected GTA 6 coming out right now. So it's not happening. Well, and it's escalating, and there are some journalists that are, in my opinion, not fair with the gamers. They are attacking the gamers. They are also being the R word, the RAC word. So, and that's not cool. It's really not cool. And I also, to fellow gamers, so there is an issue in the gaming industry with some wokeism. We all know it, and it has to stop, or it has to at least be implemented differently at the moment how it's implemented. It's not good for the gaming companies. It's not good for the gamers. It makes a lot of gamers angry. It makes gaming companies being pushed around by financing rules, by ESG, by whatever. So it's something that has to change. And maybe the whole issue around Sweet Baby Incorporation, how we call it, maybe the whole issue is going to help the gaming industry to change. Maybe it's really helping the gaming industry to change and to get it more, to change it for the good of the gamers. So I think this is important. So we shouldn't make games only for serving minorities. So that's not my opinion. I don't think we should do this. So it's always from an investor's perspective. I want to have games that just sell. I want my games to make money, and if they have to be diverse to make a lot of money. So if there are a lot of people that feel diverse are going to buy it because of this reason, so hey, why not? But I don't think that the majority of the people buy a game for this reason. So that's just my opinion. All right, I'm leaving it here now for real, and see you next time. Bye bye.